Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can control different appliances with your smartphone using HC-06 Bluetooth model and an Arduino Uno. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need an Arduino Uno board, an HC-06 Bluetooth model, 3 LEDs, 3 220 ohm resistors, some jumper wires, and finally a breadboard. So, this Bluetooth model has 4 pins at all. There are 2 power supply pins, VCC the positive and ground the negative pin, and 2 serial communication pins, receiver and transmitter, which connects to the receiver and transmitter pins on Arduino. For better understanding, first we will just read the data and then make the connections with LEDs. Now let's make the connection with Arduino. Now let's write the code. So first, in the void setup function, I initialize the serial communication by writing serial begin 9600 baud. Then in loop function, with this if condition, I will check if there is any data available in the serial buffer. And I am creating a char variable here to store the data that comes from Bluetooth model. So what I did here, if data is available in the serial buffer, create a char variable and store the data on that variable. The reason why I used the char and not the int or float or double is that the data that Bluetooth model sends is about just a character. For example, A or B or C and so on. Now I will print the data to the serial monitor and let's see what happens. To control the Bluetooth model with our phone, we should install this application. So here, as you see, there is HC-06 Bluetooth available there. And yes, it's connected. But before doing this, you have to pair your phone with the Bluetooth model from here. Once you pair your phone with the Bluetooth model, the app will allow you to send characters or comments. There are arrow keys. Here's a terminal. You can send comments by writing here something. There is accelerometer, a voice control, and something with metrics. But today we will use this buttons and slider section. So here, as you can see, there are 6 buttons, and when I touch one of these buttons, that button sends a character to our Arduino. You can configure these characters from here.
common buttons configuration. And for example, when button A is pressed, send O. When button B is pressed, send A. When C is pressed, send E. So now when I touch O, as you see, it works properly. A, E, and so on.
Now let's include the LEDs to our circuit.
In the code, first I have to define my LED pins. Now in the setup function, I have to set the LED pins as output. Then I turn off all LEDs at the start. Then, inside this if condition, I will include 3 other if conditions to control the LEDs based on the command received. So we have if received command is equal to O, digital write red LED high. And else if the command is equal to 4, digital write red LED low. What I'll do now, just copy and paste this code twice. So we are done with the code, I think. Let's upload and test it. When I touch the O button, as you see guys on the serial monitor, the data is received and my red LED is turned on. When I touch 4, it turns off. Now A, the orange LED turns on. Again 4, it turns off. And finally when I touch E button, the green LED turns on. Again 4, and it turned off. So that's how the Bluetooth model HC-06 can be used. So when I touch all of them, all of the LEDs turns on. touch 4, they turned off. This project is a simple example of controlling LEDs. By replacing the LEDs with relays, you can control high-power devices like your house lights or even appliances from your phone. Just imagine being able to turn on or off your home lights with just a tap, or control your home automation system wirelessly. It's just amazing. If you have any question, guys, you can ask on the comment section. Thanks for watching.